I'm 91 years of age now. I was born in St. David's in 1930. My mother was Minnie Owen, who was born in Dowlais. And I was in school in Cabarca during the war, from 1941 to 1945. Well, we didn't have a telephone, and it was word of mouth on the radio. Not the radio, we called it the wireless. Oh, and the cinema, of course. You used to have the news in the cinema, which was about a quarter of an hour of the program. The program is on for about, say, 2.5 hours. You had a big film, a little bit of advertising, not like it is today. And then the news, which would, in 10 minutes or a quarter of an hour, show you what was going on in the war, and a little bit of sport, and that would be it. That's what we got most of our information from. We had a blackout. A blackout was quite effective. You had wardens going around and shouting at you if there was a chink in your light. And we used to, on the windows, they used to put a sticky tape crisscross the windows. There was a siren in Dowlais, and it was right opposite my bedroom. So when the siren went off, I used to be blasted out of bed. It was only about 30 yards from my bedroom, I suppose. The sky was lit up. From my attic window, I could see down onto the coast, and I could see a glow where Cardiff was, which was 24 miles away. And I could see the glow from Swansea when that was bombed. We didn't know anything about blitzes at that time. We just knew that they were having a havoc. We were sitting on the windowsill of this shop. A convoy of American soldiers who went up, lots and lots and lots and lots of them. Now, we used to shout to them, you see, for chewing gum and cigarettes and this sort of thing. Sometimes they would throw something else. I was talking to my friend the other day about this. It coincided, we didn't know at the time, but it coincided with the Americans going to the Channel ports to get ready for the invasion of France. Because I found out that they were camped up on the other side of the hill at Merthyr, near Hillwine, on the Swansea Road, up there near, what do you call it, where the whiskey is made, the Penderyn whiskey places. They had camps up there just before D-Day, and they never used those camps again. They all left there, and they came down into Merthyr, up this hill, past our little shop. There were evacuees in our from Harvey Grammar School and the Folkestone High School for Girls also came to our school. There was also Deal, which is near Folkestone on the coast. Children from Deal came as well for junior school, but I don't know where they went because I was in the grammar school at the time. Our evacuee and came from the farm near there. Father was Danish. The younger sister went to someone in Merthyr, but she came to our house. She was the same age as my sister.